In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the workspace name in Microsoft Loop. Whether you're organizing your projects or just feel like a change, renaming your workspace is a breeze. Let's dive in and guide you through each step so you can personalize your experience effortlessly. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This can be any browser you regularly use, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Once you've got it open, head to the search bar at the top and type in Microsoft Loop. This should lead you to the official Microsoft Loop website. It's crucial to make sure that this is indeed the official site to ensure your information remains secure. Once you're on the Microsoft Loop homepage, it's time to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, click the Sign In button, typically found in the top right corner. Enter your login credentials, which usually consist of your email and password, and you'll gain access to your digital workspace hub. After signing in, it's important to verify that you're on the main page where your workspaces are displayed. This is usually the default view upon logging in, showcasing a grid or list format of your available workspaces. A quick glance should confirm you're in the right spot. Next, identify the specific workspace you wish to rename. If you have multiple workspaces, take a moment to determine which one needs the renaming. Once you've found it, take your mouse and hover over the workspace tile. As you do this, 3 little dots will appear on the screen, perfectly situated to the side of the workspace name. This ellipsis is your key to unveiling more options. Now, click on these 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, showing several options you can interact with. Among these, look for the option labeled Rename and Style and click on it. This selection brings up a field where you can now type in the new name for your workspace. Feel free to get creative or concise, depending on your preference or organizational needs. After you've typed in the new name, don't forget this crucial last step. Click the Update button. This action saves your new workspace name, effectively completing the process. You'll see your changes reflected immediately on the workspace page, providing instant gratification and allowing you to enjoy your freshly renamed space. And there you go. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the name of your workspace in Microsoft Loop to better suit your needs and style. Thank you for watching, and happy working.